CalPERS private equity investment team is known for having great returns over the last 3 years. Last night on stage, the team shared with us what were some of the contributing factors. With me now is Kelly Joy, investment officer on the private equity team. Kelly, can you share a little bit about what some of those contributing factors were?
Yeah, so we had a great discussion on the panel yesterday, and one of the things that we talked about was the strong culture of the CalPERS private equity team. I feel like that's something that I've very much experienced firsthand and also really been empowered by. And some of the ways that CalPERS has a really strong culture is through our apprenticeship leadership model. I feel like there's so many opportunities for growth professionally, and also there's a real psychological safety inside the culture of the team. Everyone feels comfortable asking questions. It's not only possible and okay, but it's also expected. And that expectation leads to more engagement among staff, as well as just a sharper due diligence process as we're underwriting. So it's been a really great experience, and the leadership has been really phenomenal. It's been a very, very good move. Every time you start a new job, it's a leap of faith, and it's really paid off for me.
Absolutely, and great culture comes from leadership from the top down. I love to hear that, Kelly. And tell us a little bit about your role.
Yes, so I'm an investment officer for the CalPERS private equity team. I work on the large buyout side of the team, so we manage the relationships with our large buyout general partners. I also staff and manage the investment review committee as well as the co-investment review committee, and then also track capital calls that are coming in, and as well as reconcile capital calls with our financial records internally.
And are there any trends you're seeing right now with the capital calls?
Yeah, I think a lot of what we're seeing does mirror what's happening in the larger industry in terms of distributions. We've also pivoted a lot from large buyout to more mid-market, and then in the past couple of years as well, done more on the growth and venture side. So I think there's some new trends that we're starting to see in those areas as well.
Interesting. And Kelly, what would your advice be for young people just getting started in the industry?
Yeah, that's a great question. I feel like it's never too early to start working on your reputation. I feel like even just first job out of college, or first job in general, really, there's nowhere a great work ethic can't get you, I feel like. So one thing a quote that I heard that I felt really stuck with me was, in the beginning you work for your reputation, but then your reputation works for you.
I love that. That's a great quote. And Kelly, how are you enjoying the event so far?
It's been a great event. I've really enjoyed meeting people. There's so many new contacts, new fresh faces, as well as some familiar ones that I haven't seen in a long time because we haven't been in the same room together for a long time. So that's been really great. And I feel like it's been a really efficient use of time with so many just action-packed, jam-packed sessions all in just a day and a half. So it's been a really great experience. Thank you.
Well, we're so happy to hear it. We're glad to have you. Thanks so much, Kelly.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
And we're shooting straight from the sidelines at our 12th annual institutional forum in Northern California.